Welcome back to your advanced guide to ranch roping. Today we're going to talk about how to throw the Del Viento. In the next video I'm going to cover the angles of the Del Viento I like to use, but in this video we're just going to get your rotation started, okay? So what I like to do, or how I like to start people, is it's going to be a forehand sidearm swing, okay? And I'm going to split my spoke with my pointer finger. So this is my loop strand, this is my spoke strand, and it's going to look like this. And when I deliver that Del Viento, I'm going to, in my swing, I'm gonna have it split, okay? I'm gonna come with my thumb kind of pointed straight at the ground and my palm pointed at my right pocket, and then I'm gonna roll my thumb out to get that, get the rotation of my loop started. At about 3/4 of a turn of the loop is when you're going to be able to bring your loop back to you, which is very important for the hip shot. So what that's gonna look like, and this is gonna feel really fast at first, but it'll slow down, is I'm gonna get that started, and then at 3/4 of a turn is when you're gonna be able to pull it back to you, okay? So one little trick I'd like you to start practicing doing before you ever even get on the dummy is get a really small loop, and don't even swing it. Split your spoke, let that loop go out there and rotate, and try to catch your foot, right? Just practice controlling the loop. Guys, if you like content like this, you need to check out 310edu.com. Use code YouTube50 to get 50% off your entire first month.